How to measure and install a secure view security door set to a Bradnams OXX stacker sliding door. As always, when on a check measure, write down the door's location, type, style and color of the door frame you're installing. This visual verification is mandatory information in our ordering portal system. Stacker doors like this one is only 3,600mm, but they go much larger than this one. A critical issue that too often rears its head is bowed sliding door head and tracks. These doors are too often installed without proper sill track support, resulting in sagging tracks. Long head tracks naturally bow down in the middle too. Measure from the inside of the top track down to the top of the pip track. The opening size is 2,378mm. Do this at various points along the door, checking for differences. Deduct 12mm to compensate for our door's top and bottom wheels and another 2mm for out-of-square clearances. Manufacture size is 2,364mm. With the glass door fully closed, measure the width from the inside of the receiver jamb to the back edge of the first glass door. The measure is 1,245mm. Then measure from this same point to the fixed glass door mullion where the back interlock will go. This measurement is 1,163mm. For the main security door, the one with the lock, we'll deduct 3mm from the 1,245mm to compensate for the strikers and some clearance for a manufacturing size of 1,242mm. The secondary door, the one that only has wheels, we need to add 23mm for the 25 by 25 angles we use as the central interlocking connector. 1,163 plus 23 gives us a manufacturing size of 1,185mm. We've determined that this door lock height will sit at 1,150mm, as measured from the bottom pip track. Install the door by carefully lifting the secondary door into place. Check the squareness against the glass panel frame and adjust the top and bottom wheels if needed. Install the main door panel, the one with the lock, to the outside track. You can place the bottom wheels on the pip track by lifting the wheels and slide across to find the correct position. Repeat the lower wheel adjustment, aligning with the secondary security door panel and the lock side of the main door panel with the receiver jamb. Install the lock by inserting the lock cylinder first. Install the lock faceplates. Remember to put the snib inside. Insert striker plates and engage the lock. Close the door and unlock to reveal the striker plates. We fix the striker plates with 1/8 countersunk screws. The door is a proper security door, so for the interlock attaching to the glass door mullion, we'll use a 25 by 32 heavy-duty interlock. Its 2,295mm is measured from the black plastic where the glass finishes to the opposite side, deducting 5mm for clearance. Cut your interlock to size and fix to the back edge of the secondary door with our 10-gauge 24.5 security screws. Complete the installation measuring the 25 by 25mm trim angles, measuring from the bottom pip to the edge of the top track. The measurement is 2,355mm. Deduct 5mm for the cut size. Then attach both angles where they cross over with each other using security screws. Bradnams have designed their sliding doors with sealing strip along the bottom, so only one door will need a bug strip. Cut to size, crimp both ends and install. Check if all moving parts work and the door is sliding freely. There you go, another Starline Security video. Want to become a Starline Security Dealer? Contact us for more information.